Naghahanap ka ba ng ref na matipid sa kuryente? Alam nyo ba itong TCL 7.4 cubic feet inverter 2-door top-mount refrigerator with no frost offers a spacious 7.4 cubic feet capacity with twin eco inverters. It features precise temperature control and power cool and freeze functions. This model ensures total no frost operation, maintaining freshness without ice buildup. The max space humidity slider crisper keeps food fresh longer. It ensures optimal moisture levels for different foods. With its twin eco inverter, it offers energy efficiency. Equipped with adjustable shelves, this refrigerator adapts to your needs. The power cool and power freeze functions add convenience. Enjoy a refrigerator that combines functionality with modern technology. Adjustable yung mga shelves nito for versatile storage options. Must have ito, kaya check this out via my yellow basket.